Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year. I hope 2026 brings you nothing but love, peace, joy and laughter. So to start the new year, today is the first part of a 3-part series titled What If? It's a spiritual journey of healing and possibilities. What if the worst thing you've experienced is not the end of your story? What if the moment, the thing that you thought broke you, didn't break you at all, but strengthened you? Loss, pain, trauma, they all have a way of making life feel final, like something closed and will never open again. But spiritually, endings are rarely the full picture, since they are often the beginning for something bigger and better. What if isn't denial? It's a bridge between pain and possibility. So welcome to anyone new here. My name is Anne-Marie. I'm a transformation coach and hypnotherapist, and I help people reclaim their power to find healing and meaning and purpose in their lives after loss, pain or trauma. In particular, I love to help women reclaim and rebuild themselves after narcissistic or toxic relationships. If you want to work with me, my details are below in the description box. Loss can change everything. Pain, trauma can change everything. It can change how you see yourself, how you see others, how you see the world, how you trust, and how you imagine the future. And faith doesn't mean pretending the pain didn't happen. Healing doesn't mean pretending it didn't hurt. It means deciding it doesn't get the last say. There's a difference between honoring pain and letting it rule your life. Healing begins when we stop asking why. Why me? Why is this happening to me? And start asking, what if this pain taught me something I couldn't learn any other way? You know, as humans, we can be quite stubborn, and sometimes we have to learn lessons the hard way because we're not ready to listen. And I've been through a lot of pain and trauma myself, so I speak from deep, deep personal experience. What if my future can grow more beauty and abundance from this experience? What if isn't doubt. It's trusting in my ability and faith in the bigger picture. What if my story is only just beginning? What if this season is shaping something eternal? What if the ground that feels fragmented is actually being prepared for something bigger, something better, something glorious? Faith often begins with a question, not certainty, but trust. Sometimes we think healing means going back to who we were, and we can get kind of stuck in this loop of thinking of why can't things go back to the way they were? Why can't you go back? Why can't you be who you were? Why can't I be who I was? We can't go back to the past. True progress, true spiritual growth means becoming a better, higher version of yourself. What if I'm not meant to restore the past, but build a new future? The past is gone. We can't go back to it. We can't undo it. We can't redo it. Right? So what have I learned from it? What expertise am I taking with me into the next part of the journey? What seeds am I growing now? Because seeds grow in darkness well before they ever see the light. You may not choose what happened, but you can always choose what you build from it. Okay? So take a moment this week and ask yourself, what if my healing My purpose is in the pain. Not everything has to make sense yet. And if you've been dealing with entitled people, if you've been dealing with people with narcissistic tendencies, it's not going to make sense. In fact, it's going to make you feel like you're going crazy. It's incredibly confusing. So just try and stay open. And what if allows for new possibilities. And keep going in that spirit of renewal. Okay? The past has happened. How am I now going to move forward with what I've learned? So I hope that made sense. I hope that gave you a little bit of help to start your new year. And the next time we connect, we'll be talking about identity and what if you're stronger than you think. So until next time, as always, lots and lots and lots of love from my heart to you.